you may be wondering, what is Bold.org and what do they do? Well, today we're here to show you just that and how you can move forward in creating a scholarship with us. So, what is Bold.org? Well, we are the largest independent scholarship platform in the United States, and we work hand in hand with donors to create thousands of scholarships and accept millions of dollars a year in donations to help students fund their education. Students can sign up for Bold.org in minutes just by answering a few questions, and once they're all signed up and their profile is created, they will instantly have access to all of the scholarships on our platform. As a donor, your question might be, how do I create a scholarship on Bold.org? Well, we make the process stress-free and anyone can create a scholarship with us. So let's get right into how you can do it. Head to Bold.org and continue as a donor to create your donor profile. Click Start a Scholarship to begin the process. You'll get started by answering a few questions about you or your organization. Once your profile is created, on your dashboard, you should see the option to create a scholarship. This is where you will write a few brief descriptions about the scholarship you'd like to create and answer a few more simple questions about your scholarship. At the end of your scholarship proposal, you'll be prompted to book a call with us. On the date selected, we will give you a call and discuss the details of your scholarship. This includes the scholarship process, the criteria, essay prompt, and announcement dates. We use this time to answer any of your questions and to make sure Bold.org is a good fit for your goals. After our call, your proposal gets sent to the writing team and they create the draft within 24 to 48 hours. You review this draft and submit any feedback or changes, which we will make and update you about. Next, it's time for you to submit the scholarship funds. 1 hour after the funds are submitted, the scholarship goes live. The scholarship is live for a minimum of 3 months, but in most cases, scholarships are open closer to a 6-month time frame. After the scholarship deadline, you are given a 30-day review period to review the scholarship submissions and select 5 to 10 finalists and your prospective winners. Then we will verify this selection. Finally, once the winner is selected, we work directly with that student's financial aid office to disperse the funds to ensure it goes to educational costs. So this may seem like a lot of information, but not to worry because you don't need to remember it all. Our scholarship team here at Bold.org will work with you one-on-one to make sure your scholarship process runs smoothly and answer any questions you may have along the way. And there you have it. Are you ready to create your scholarship on Bold.org?